Brioche 6-stitch decrease. We have 7 stitches here. 4 of them are your brioche knit columns, 3 are the brioche purls that are in between. And we are going to start by doing a right slant decrease here. We're going to actually knit into this purl stitch and slip that one over it, which will now have that onto the right needle. Then we'll do a right slant decrease, put both stitches back on the left needle and pass over. So here it is in motion. So we're going to slip this first stitch, and then the next purl and the next stitch with its shawl, we're going to knit those two together. And now we're going to slip the first stitch with its shawl over. Okay, don't worry about that, that'll go away when you finish working this stitch. Now you're going to knit into this purl stitch and pass the stitch over it. And now we're going to work a right slant decrease. So you're going to slip the first stitch with its shawl, knit the next one, pass that over, place him back on your left needle, pass the next stitch with its shawl over him, and then pass this one here, and you're done. 6 stitches decreased.